Hi, we're back. Floor looks pretty good, right? Got it ground down, got it welded in. No light, except for like one pinhole there I gotta do. But we can't finish the front because there's no light. But I have to push on the toe part and then clamp it at the same time, and I can't do it by myself. So we're gonna wait till somebody gets out here to help me, and then we'll get the rest of these, you know, bracings welded in. But it's too hot to be welding. Not used to 80-90 degree weather, and I had the doors open earlier, so it really didn't help anything. But why don't y'all come back when we're getting ready to go through this? I'm going to move on to the roof now because can't really do anything without anyone else. And I think the other side's the same thing. It was easier to weld because the steering wheel pedals and everything weren't in the way of the helmet. I don't know, maybe I should pick up some goggles, make it real easy. But we have two floors pretty much installed. All we have to do is finish a few things and we're done. Feels pretty good. So let's get it done. Catch y'all later. Alright, we're just gonna give you guys a look at what the roof looks like now. So, a lot of surface. We're gonna get it cleaned up right now. We got the lights, we got a sander, and me wearing a mask and goggles because I don't want it in my eyes. So let's get started. Just gonna do a quick update, probably a mess. That's the mask I had on. So I just went ahead and wiped it down with wax degreaser. See how much I got left, but it looks a lot better than it used to. Good with that. So we'll catch you guys back, okay? coming back. We vacuumed out the car again. Cleaned this thing more times than I've cleaned any other vehicle I've owned. We're gonna leave it bare for now, because I think I'm gonna try some rust encapsulator from Eastwood or something. I like the pour, but if anyone who ever's worked with that, and you know that, then if the stuff drops on my head or in my hair, it's never coming out. So I kind of want to use something different. So we're gonna get some rust encapsulator spray or something that'll make the rust just disappear, go away. So we will keep jumping around until we get that stuff in, but for now it should be fine the way it is. So we're gonna pick up our tools, put everything away, and call it a weekend. Ain't really got too much left to do, but I guess we'll see you back next episode whenever we decide to do. Probably gonna be putting the car on the lift, and we'll go underneath and look at the floors and how they welded from the bottom side. So that's probably what we're gonna do. So we'll come back with that, and then that'll be next episode. So stay tuned, man. If you guys like it, please like, subscribe, or comment. Give me some kind of feedback. I know there's only a few people watching, but let's get at least a little bit of feedback.